Hi everyone, while I'm working, I'm going to talk about the technology and the impact that it has into the literature. Nowadays, we can find all books into the internet, you know, and how affect how affect our knowledge, our autonomic work, and taking into account the one inquiry that I find into the internet, written by Roger Luckhurst. Um, he said that the technology um, provides all that we need, but in my opinion, I will always defend the book because you can write it down and you can um, use the paper, so I love the literature that it is in the books. mm, so I can say that the difference between the literature um among the technology is the in the technology you can find a lot of distractions and don't pay attention about what you read. In the contrast, when you read a book, you pay attention about a lot of details, and you can write it down. You can write over the words. You can find a lot of things into the book. For example, details that you never find into the books, uh, technological books. That is why technology, as we can use it, can affect literature and the ways in which reach students. So literature like movies, books, storytellings, are different conceptions, different meanings, and it could be the change your opinion about literature, about technology, and how can works hand by hand those approaches or funds. And well, overall, literature and technology come together to facilitate researcher, and that's the point, that's the idea. And I think it has been achieved. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Thank you.